This has been in my head since I can remember. This might be weird, this might be unhinged, and you obviously don't have to agree with everything I say. You can be opinionated as hell. Okay? So, this is like what I think personally, and I want to share it to you all. Things adults lie about to us. And they might have a reason, but I'm not here to tell a reason, I'm just here to tell what they lie about. Let's go. First and foremost, that everybody must have been experienced that grades guarantee you success. I don't quite agree with it because I have seen and encountered such people that are really academically smart but not street smart. And they have scored really well, but they are not ready for the life ahead. You have whole life ahead of you to learn these things, to be street smart, to be academically smart. Just don't waste your time. That's all I want to say. Do whatever you want, follow your passion, develop a skill, anything you want. Content creation, I know that मुझे अभी लगेगा कि मैं 10 चीज़ें और ट्राई करूँ और फिर मैं 10 चीज़ें, अगर मैं 10 में भी फेल हो जाऊँगी तो आई बी लाइक आई स्मार्ट एज फक, बट this might not work for me, and I'll look up to my mistakes, not to dread it. Talking bad and being opinionated is disrespectful. You must have heard this a lot of times. But trust me, it is not. Being opinionated is flattering as hell. Because you are able to put your thoughts into words and put it in front of someone else and make them understand what you think. This is a skill a lot of people lack. They just agree with everything, and trust me, this is not what we should be doing. If you are talking back, you are, even if you are wrong, it does not matter. But if you talk back, trust me, it's gonna take it places. And I am just putting out my thoughts, not facts. These are not facts. You can or cannot agree with it. You must have heard this one a lot. If you do this well, your life's gonna be perfect. Trust me when I say this, life's never gonna be perfect. And it's fine. You it shapes your character. And certain things that you will not be able to learn when you are perfect. This I don't know, that I think being perfect is overrated. Like she can do that, she can do this, she can do that, she's perfect. You must have heard this quote, Jack of all trades but master of none. But this isn't the full quote. Jack of all trades, master of none, but oftentimes better than the master of all. Let that sink in. If you don't know what you want to do in life, you are distracted and confused. No. No. Trust me, I have been there and I still don't want a fly. Let's ignore that. Being confused about what you want to do is might be the sign of perfectionism or abundance. Because if you are putting that much thought into what you want to do rather than following, I would say, designated path like you get your degree, get a job, married, and thrive. If you are thinking out of this box, this might be a sign of abundance. And also, like, if you think like that, I wanna do a degree, get a job. I wanna do a degree, get a job. Oh wow, fly! This flies. I wanna get a degree, do a job. This is totally okay unless and until you are content and satisfied. And one thing about me, I am very outspoken. So if you do not agree with anything, you can call it out. Absolutely. I love constructive criticism because that shapes you as a person. This fly won't leave me. So do tell me about the things that you think adults lie as to, and I'll be back in another video. Bye. I love you.